Beloved, we're gathered here in God's sight and in the face of these witnesses to join Noah and Danielle in holy matrimony. The Bible tells us that God created marriage because it was not good for man to be alone. Marriage is two people committing themselves to one another in the presence of witnesses before God. God created marriage to teach us about the relationship of Christ to his bride, the church, and this is perhaps the deepest meaning of marriage. In Ephesians 5:31, the Apostle Paul quotes Genesis 2. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and leave and be joined to his wife, and the two shall be one flesh.
Noah, from the very beginning, I saw God's hand in you. And your thoughtfulness, and your steadiness, and the way you love so intentionally. Today, I don't just choose you because of how you love me, but because of how you walk with the Lord. In you, I have not only found my husband, but my partner in faith and best friend.
Faith is a choice both of you have made to walk in life as Christ did. And you are a prime example of putting faith first in your relationship.
Noah, I love you, son, more than anything in my life. And you know that because every time you call me, I tell you the same thing. Exactly. I am very happy that you found Danielle. Okay. She is a lovely woman, and I hope that both of you will have a long, happy life together.
They say you can learn a lot about a date by taking them to dinner. I'm glad we skipped that and opted for a 6-hour road trip to and from Richmond. Trying to fill awkward silences forced us to share a lot about our personal and professional journeys, the mountains, the valleys, and the roadmaps for the future. But when we really ran out of topics to discuss, we pontificated on how our lives are like TV shows. Different seasons are defined by specific plots. Stressful challenges make for the most interesting episodes, while new characters are introduced or written out depending on our own development. Our numerous adventures together have made me realize that I want you to stay a part of the main cast to my own story for years to come.
Danielle, I had no idea what it was like to be a mother, so I had no idea she wasn't normal. It took a while to figure that one out, but she, from the time she was itty bitty, she ran the show and she was the one in charge. She's a type A personality, and her mother's completely laid back. And when she was 4 years old, she was scheduling me, telling me what I was going to do, and I just obeyed. I did what I was told.
You will take Noah to new heights, and I'm just so honored to stand here today and watch Noah get married to you, and just watch him be so happy and be everything that he wanted to. All the visions, everything that he talked about 15, 16 years ago. He panned out his life, and in some ways it panned out, but now it's really, truly starting to pan out. And that's because of you.
You always have the energy to match my sense of adventure, whether we're parasailing in Daytona Beach, or whitewater rafting in Coeur d'Alene, or just finding our way through downtown Portland. You also encourage me to work hard but play hard too. In short, you make my life much more interesting and create new plot lines that I never thought were possible. I look forward to each new season with you because I know whatever challenges lie ahead will be another entertaining twist that we can enjoy together. While our script will surely see new faces, places, and traces, I choose you to be my constant because your company makes life worth living.
Today, I vow to always listen when you need an ear, be your greatest advocate, and stand by you in every season of life. I vow to honor you, to respect you, and support the man God is continually shaping you to be. Today, before God and these witnesses, I enter into this holy covenant of marriage with you. I choose you, Noah, and commit my life to you as we seek God first and walk forward together all the days of our lives.
Well, Noah and Danielle, because you have made these vows to one another and exchanged these rings in the presence of witnesses, I pronounce that you are man and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. No one may kiss your bride. Well, it's my happy privilege to be the first to introduce you, Mr. and Mrs. Noah Yosif.